Good morning, class. Now, I'm teaching you BST. BST you already studied in 11th class, and BST means its full form is Business Studies. As the name shows in itself, here we will have to study about the business and different things which affect the business and which are necessary and mandatory for a successful business, for the success of a business. If you want to make your business successful, you have to follow few things. You have to imbibe, cultivate something in your working style, and the foremost and the most important thing is management. I think we all are aware about the term what is management. Management is, हिंदी में हम इसको बोलते हैं प्रबंध करना. That is known as the management. So many enterprises, organizations working in this world. बहुत सारे organizations काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे business firm, small level, vast level, large level, profit making, non-profit making, all are working in this world. But few of them touch the sky and few of them just remains on the ground and vanishes. Why? What is the reason? They all have the resources, the common resources they all are having with them, but still some are touching the success and some are getting failed. Some have to close the business as soon as they start it. Why? What is the reason? What is the difference between them? So even they are using all the common things, but one thing which is lacking is the management. If management is not there, it means you are not able to get the success in your business. So for this, the first and important thing management means. It is getting the things done. What is the management? It is getting the things done. Why have I used the word getting? It doesn't mean you have to do all the work by yourself. You will have to get the work done by the people you are surrounded, with the people you are working with. Okay, so that's why I have used the word getting the things done. Getting the things done. Okay, so many organizations are working in this country, other than this country, everywhere. We have to work deliberately in the organization. For that, first of all, we have to know what is the objective of our organization for which we all are working together. If we are knowing what are the objective of our organization, we can go in the particular direction. बहुत ही सीधी सी बात है, अगर आपको कहीं पे जाना है, if you want to do the traveling, तो first of all, you just need to know the destination where you actually need to go. Then only you can start for that. अगर आपको कहीं पे भी जाना है तो आप उसके लिए स्टार्ट तभी करेंगे जब आपको फिक्स वेन्यू पता होगा, फिक्स डेस्टिनेशन पता होगा. Until you know the destination, how can you proceed for that? किस तरह से आप उसके लिए कर सकते हैं? तो for that you must be aware of the objective of the organization. The second thing, you are not the single person in the organization. A lot of people are there who all are working for the organization to achieve the same objective. So you have to coordinate the things with the people. आपको coordinate करना पड़ेगा because you are having a lots of resources. These resources can be like raw material, like human beings, like finance and all other fixed assets, many more others. You have to coordinate the things. आपको उनको equally distribute करना पड़ेगा so all the people can feel satisfied with each other. Fine. Now after this, आप देखते हो just forget about the organization for few minutes. in our normal routine life, are we managing things? Yes, actually we are managing the things. If we take the example of a small child who is studying in the first class, is he managing the things? Definitely, he has to manage his routine activities. He is managing. Every day he gets up early in the morning, he has to rush to the school, and for that he has to manage his routine activities. After, once he has reached to the school, again he will manage with the study. Sometimes he has to write, sometimes he has to read. So again he is managing. Then he'll go back, he'll finish with rest of the work at his home, and he'll have to do his homework also. So likewise, many things he has to do within the day. What happen if he will not manage the thing? He will continue play, or he will continue study. He will continue with the sleeping. अगर वो मैनेज नहीं करेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? या तो वो सिर्फ खेलता रहेगा, या तो फिर सोता रहेगा, या तो वो फिर स्टडी करेगा. तो ऑल द एक्टिविटीज शुड बी मैनेज्ड विद देयर प्रॉपर टाइमिंग. उसको मैनेज करना ज़रूरी है. वी हैव ऑलरेडी हर्ड दैट इन आवर होम हाउसवाइफ्स आर द गुड, और आई मस्ट से बेस्ट मैनेजर. कैसे? दे हैव टू perform various tasks together, keeping the need of different people of the family in their mind. वो ऐसा करती भी है. बहुत सारे जो घर के लोग होते हैं उनके सब के नीड्स को वो वन करके सेटिस्फाइड करती हैं, और बहुत सारे जो टास्क होते हैं उनको परफॉर्म करती है. एंड फॉर दैट दे हैव टू मैनेज द थिंग्स, दे हैव टू मैनेज द रिसोर्सेज, दे हैव टू मैनेज द टाइमिंग, एवरीथिंग दे हैव टू मैनेज. सो I feel like little bit you are able to understand what is management now. I just recite you one story about the management. What is management? Manager is that person actually who can satisfy your employees by getting your task done. आपको ऐसा नहीं कि you just need to satisfy the employee only. You have to complete or get your task done by them, as well as similarly आपको उनसे जो वर्क करवाना है, the work should be performed with the using of minimum resources. कम से कम resources आपको यूज़ करना है और आपको काम कंप्लीट करना है. एक छोटा सा स्टोरी है इसके लिए. They were husband and wife. They were too happy. Husband was working in a company, and the wife was entirely housewife. One day, the wife's friend visited to her, and while their conversation, the friend talked to the wife. For what? As usual it happens. Are you happy? She said. Yes, I am too much happy. Then the friend asked, okay, can you tell me when did you visit last time in the theater or hotel? So the wife just paused for a second, and she said, actually I never felt the need to go outside. I am happy in my home. So I think it's been more than 1 year. Okay, the friend got the chance. How you people are living in such type of life? You are not going outside. I think you want to go outside, but your husband doesn't take you outside. But she did her work and she left from the home. This thing make the wife got the angry with this thing. This thing completely worked negatively. Okay, the wife did not do anything that entire day, and she just sit and wait for her husband to come back. When her husband comes back to the home, he saw the entire house was changed. The tap of the water of the tap was running like anything. Switch of the electricity was on anywhere. The garbage was putting here and there. Things were not perfect. So, because he was an intelligent person, he guessed there must be something wrong, and First of all, he just made himself calm down. He just relaxed. He just took the breath for 3 to 4 times, deep breath, and then went to his wife. He asked, "Hey dear, what happened? Is everything okay today?" So the wife was in arrogant way. She felt like whenever I will propose my husband to go outside, he will not get ready. So for that, I have to wear the tough look, little arrogant look, so that I can get my wish fulfilled by him. So when the husband asked, wife just shoot his desire. He just asked, when did we visit any hotel or theatre last time? So husband said, I don't remind actually, but you tell me, what happened? Do you want to go outside? The wife said, yes, of course, I want to go outside. Okay, fine, we'll go. So where do you want to go? Because it's too late and it is a little difficult to go to a talkies to watch the movie. Can we go to the hotel only? The wife said, we'll go some other day to the talkies. The husband said, he was so relaxed, cool and calm that wife did not get any chance to get angry. After that, the husband asked, okay, in which hotel you want to go to take the dinner? The wife said, I only would like to prefer 5-star hotel. From inside, the husband was so tensed. He thought, how will he manage all the things? Once, if they will go in the 5-star hotel, so definitely he'll have to lose his pocket by 10 to 15,000, and he was not able to do that. But he was again not able to deny to his wife for the same. So he said, okay, no problem. If it is your wish, we will have to go. We will go there definitely. Fine. He did not show his reaction because manager's first quality is whenever any dilemma you are gonna to face, you have to relax yourself. You need to lose your patience. That is the first and foremost thing for a manager. So he just kept himself cool. Okay, wife felt like, my friend said that whenever I will propose him to go outside, my husband will deny me or object me. But he is not showing anything like this. Actually, I am feeling like he also wants to go out. So, most of his anger was gone out by that time. After that, so they started to move outside, both of them, and the husband's mind was running like anything. He was trying to find out the best solution by which he can make his wife happy. Also he wants to save his resources, 10 to 15,000. So while going by the car, the husband started to say, you know, when I was in the college, I have been a champion. Champion for what? The wife asked. I had been the champion of in Pani Patashi competition. बोला पानी पताशी competition ये क्या होता है? बोला once we all of the friends were together, enjoying and we bet that who can eat more and more patashis, golgappas, and I won the competition. Wife was surprised and she said, how many golgappas you ate? Husband said, that day I ate 21 golgappas. Wife said, only 21? I can eat 30. Husband said, no, I can bet you. You cannot eat more than 15 even. Wife said, I can. Husband said, can you prove it? Wife said, definitely. Just park the car on the roadside and we will check it that who can be a good champion in Golgappa competition. Okay. Husband was waiting for the same. He parked his car on the roadside and went to a Golgappa seller. They asked, wife said, भैया जल्दी से अच्छी पताशी दे दीजिए हमें. And they both of them started eating the patashis. Husband ate 10 patashi, wife ate 10 patashi. Husband ate then 15, wife again 15. After that, husband 20, wife 20. Husband ate 25 patashi and wife ate 26 patashi. Husband said, do you want more? Wife said, no. Wife asked, can you eat more? Husband said, no ways, 25 is more than anything. Now, wife was very much happy as she had 26 and husband had only 25. So, she was the winner by one Golgappa. And they had the bet. Who will be the winner will be awarded by 1000 rupee by the loser. Wife was too happy that she has won 1000 rupee and her belly was full like anything. Now, immediately the husband took out a note of 1000 rupee. That time it was going on, it was in the trend, 1000 rupee note. So, he took out the 1000 rupee note and gave to her wife, his wife. Wife was too much happy. First thing, she won the bet. Second thing, she got 1000 rupee. They came back in the car and said, and husband asked, so darling, in which hotel you would like to go now? Wife said, what hotel? Which hotel? I am not able to eat even a single morsel now. So we should go back to our home. Husband said, how can you do so? We had the planning to go to the hotel, 5-star hotel you were talking about. Wife said, no, I don't want to go anywhere now. Just let's go. I have to share my victory with my friends also. And the husband was like, he was feeling like win-win situation because his employee was happy. The resources, all the resources were saved and the work has been done. Whatever his motive was fulfilled now. So, this story tells that whenever a problem comes in the manager's life, what he has to do? He should keep himself calm. Then, after that, try to find out the best solution. The solution should be economic. The solution should be economic, means less resource consuming. And one and most important thing, his or her employee should be happy with himself also. So, that's it for today. We'll continue in the further class.